Closing a sprint in Jira involves completing the current sprint and transitioning to the next phase of your agile workflow. Here's how to do it. Log into Jira, access your Jira account and navigate to the agile board for the project where the sprint is active. Open the active sprint. Go to the board with the active sprint. Click on Active Sprints in the top navigation to view the current sprint. Review sprint progress. Ensure all issues in the sprint are reviewed. Issues that are not completed can either be marked as done or moved to the backlog or the next sprint. Complete the sprint. Click on the Complete Sprint button, usually located at the top right of the sprint view. A dialog box will appear summarizing the sprint's progress and asking if you want to complete it. Review the information, including completed and incomplete issues. Confirm completion. If satisfied, click Complete or Finish. This action will close the sprint and move any incomplete issues to the backlog or a future sprint, depending on your selection. Review sprint report. After closing, Jira will generate a sprint report showing the completed and incomplete issues. Review this report to assess sprint performance.